wonder, why does God care about everyday choices?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Deuteronomy is not about dramatic miracles, it is about daily decisions. Let's slow down and look carefully. Moses is speaking to a new generation preparing to enter a new season. This might surprise you. Most of his message focuses on small, repeated acts of obedience. Most people miss this part, but everyday faithfulness is what protects future blessings. Here is the deeper layer. God cares about daily choices because daily choices slowly shape who we become.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Moses reminds the people of their past so they do not repeat it. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Love for God was meant to guide everyday behavior. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Obedience was connected to life and flourishing. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Remembering what God has done builds gratitude instead of pride. 5. This connects directly to real life. Forgetting lessons often leads to repeating mistakes. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Daily decisions become long-term identity.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions consistently. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic, because neural pathways strengthen with repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, whether gratitude or resentment. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently as behaviors repeat. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing, because the brain wires around practice. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow, especially when repeated daily.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Daily study habits matter more than last-minute effort. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when we ignore reflection. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily without healthy responses. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns in friendships and family life. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because repeated digital habits also shape attention and focus.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning, but they build foundations. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, like bricks laid one at a time. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum that others may not see yet. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural through consistent effort. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character that can handle greater responsibility.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you when you make daily decisions. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel whether those choices are leading you toward peace or stress. Step 3. Choose one small action today that reflects love for God and integrity. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself, learning from mistakes calmly. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency more than intensity.
What should we do today?
1. Choose one daily habit that you know needs adjustment. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, so it feels sustainable. 3. Observe your reactions carefully when you try to change it. 4. Adjust without quitting if it feels uncomfortable at first. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, one steady choice at a time. Intentional daily choices slowly build a steady and wise heart. When we stay close to God in small things, larger decisions become clearer. Faith grows strongest when practiced consistently in ordinary moments. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.